Hey guys, Steve Welch here. You ever have the problem you're getting out of the vehicle and you're ready to go, and you've got somebody that's on the other side of the vehicle that's taking a little bit longer, maybe in the back seat, something along those lines, and they're taking a little bit longer than what you might like, but you're ready to go, but you're sitting there by the door waiting to hit that little button that's on the side that'll lock that door for you. It's that you're ready to go off, because if it's not ready to lock, you're going to get that little tone that says it's not ready to lock, and then you just got to sit there and wait until the last person shuts their door, and now you can finally go, right? Well, Toyota actually has something that's a wireless lock with door open, so you can basically set it, and it comes preset this way from the factory, that if the case was that you had all the doors were ready to be locked except for one, and you locked it from your key fob, you'll see all these doors have now locked, right? So you saw that I had that back door open, but you're going to notice all the doors are now locked except for this one. And what's going to happen is, as soon as I lock this, watch here, you'll see the light when it actually locks, and then it folds that back in. So what it does is, if you lock it from your key fob and every other door could be wide open, driver's door, you lock it from your key fob, you start to walk away, as soon as the last door shuts, the truck will lock. So it's a pretty cool feature, right? In case you're somebody that's a little bit impatient. But hey, you guys tell me what you think. Did you know it had it? Check on yours, I bet you got it. So in case you guys are wondering how to actually set it up, I'm going to kind of show you here. So depending on the vehicle, of course, you might actually have it already set up to your phone, and that this one hasn't been, so the map's not here right now, but I'm going to try to keep this from doing that little flicker thing that it can do sometimes. But if you come down here, hit this little gear button. Once you hit the little gear button, you're going to kind of scroll. Once you scroll, look for vehicle customize, hit that button right here. You're going to see door control, which is right there, and then you've got two press unlock and door lock when open, right? So if you have that off, then that function won't work. If you have that on, then that function will work as you're using it on that particular vehicle. So if you want it to be able to lock with any of the doors open, but you just hitting that lock button on the key fob, that's the way to do it on the screen. That's the way to enable it. Steve Welch here. You guys have a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye.